How to delete messages on WhatsApp permanently. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to delete messages on WhatsApp permanently. So first thing, just open up your WhatsApp application and simply select the chat from which you want to delete messages. So let's say I open this one over here. So let's say if I were to delete this messages over here, as you can see, when I long press on it and click on this bin icon, then there is only option to delete for myself only, so it will not be deleted for other person. So in that case, what you might want to do is just come back to your messages section and now simply long press on that particular chat and just hit the delete button at the top of your navigation bar and simply click on this delete chat over here, and your messages will be successfully deleted just like that. And another thing what you can also do is just click on this three dot icon at the top right corner and simply head over to settings. And once you're inside your settings, select chats from over here and simply scroll down and click on chat history. And you can see there is an option that is delete all chats. So you can basically click on delete all chats. And keep in mind that all of your chats from your WhatsApp messenger will be deleted from over here. So think carefully and delete it carefully as well. And once you do all of that, finally, if you have your backup for your chat as well, then you can simply come over to your Google Drive just like this and just click on this hamburger icon at the top left corner and make sure it's the same account which you use to back up the chats or images from your WhatsApp, and simply tap on this backups. And if you have enabled or turned on the backup option, you shall see your all of your chat history being backed up over here for your WhatsApp, and simply tap or long press on that and simply delete that option as well. So once you do all of that, your messages will be successfully deleted. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.